Antibiotic resistance, overuse and misuse of antibiotics are leading to antibiotic-resistant bacteria, which could make previously treatable infections deadly. Supervolcanoes. There are several supervolcanoes around the world, such as Yellowstone, which could cause catastrophic damage and global climate effects if they were to erupt. Nuclear weapons. There are still around 13,000 nuclear weapons in the world, many of which are on high alert, posing a constant threat of accidental or intentional nuclear war. Ocean pollution. Millions of tons of plastic enter the oceans every year, creating massive garbage patches and harming marine life, some of which can end up in the human food chain. Microplastics have been found in the food we eat, the water we drink, and even the air we breathe, raising concerns about their impact on human health. The COVID-19 pandemic showed how quickly diseases can spread globally, and experts warn that other pandemics could occur, potentially with even more severe consequences. Climate change. Rising global temperatures are leading to more extreme weather events, sea level rise, and habitat loss, which could result in widespread displacement and food shortages. Asteroids. There are thousands of near-Earth objects, some of which are large enough to cause significant damage if they were to collide with Earth. Deep-sea creatures. The deep ocean is home to many bizarre and potentially dangerous creatures, some of which are still unknown to science. Cybersecurity. Cyber attacks are becoming more sophisticated and frequent, targeting critical infrastructure, financial systems, and personal data. Human trafficking. Millions of people are trafficked worldwide each year for forced labor, sexual exploitation, and other forms of modern slavery. Tsunamis. Underwater earthquakes and volcanic eruptions can trigger tsunamis, causing widespread destruction and loss of life in coastal areas. Volcanic gases. Some volcanic gases, such as sulfur dioxide, can create acid rain and have long-term health effects on populations living nearby. Sinkholes. Sudden sinkholes can swallow buildings, roads, and vehicles without warning, causing significant damage and potential loss of life. Flesh-eating bacteria. Necrotizing fasciitis, caused by certain types of bacteria, can rapidly destroy tissue and become life-threatening if not treated promptly. Solar flares. Intense solar flares can disrupt communications, navigation systems, and even power grids on Earth, potentially causing widespread chaos. Gamma-ray bursts. These cosmic events are the most energetic explosions in the universe and could potentially devastate the Earth if one occurred close enough. Human experimentation. History is filled with instances of unethical human experimentation, such as the Tuskegee syphilis study, and the experiments conducted by Nazi doctors during World War II. Radiation exposure. High levels of radiation exposure can cause severe health effects, including cancer, and the effects can be long-lasting and widespread, as seen in Chernobyl and Fukushima. Bioterrorism. The deliberate release of viruses, bacteria, or other germs to cause illness or death in people, animals, or plants is a real and growing threat. These facts highlight some of the more unsettling and potentially dangerous aspects of our world, underscoring the importance of awareness, preparedness, and proactive measures to mitigate these risks.